Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Xfinity Comcast error code XRE-03052. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to watch certain HD channels. Instead of loading, the channels fail and display this error code. According to our research, this error is most likely related to temporary glitches with the cable box, loose connections, or service outages in the area. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to perform a system refresh. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then unplug your TV along with the cable box. After waiting for a few minutes, plug them back in and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then try tightening all the wires and cables connected to your box and TV. Once done, see if the error still comes. At last, if you still get the error, then it is most likely caused by a service outage. In this case, wait for some time and try again. Meanwhile, you can check the service outage status directly on the Xfinity website to confirm. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.